Okay guys, I'm so excited to do this unboxing of Vive bars. I must have put in my order about 2 days ago and here they are. It's delivered by first class, so no wonder. I'm glad that it came so quickly because I really wanted to be trying these out. They've sent me cacao, orange, lemon burst, almond and coconut, peanut butter and jelly. Over here it says love at first bite. You don't have to tell us. We know the current market is full of supposedly healthy and natural snack bars. So that's why we decided to combine the best of all that's out there into one truly delicious snack, raising the bar of the current market. That's why all of our seriously yummy bars are high in plant protein, 100% natural, vegan friendly and free from soya, gluten, dairy and added sugar. What other bar gives you all that in less than 8 ingredients? Unlike most other brands, we're not snitching, just telling you the truth. We make all of our bars ourselves, ensuring only the best ingredients, care and love goes into every bar so that you can rest assured that you'll eat clean and stay full. Sounds great, that's exactly what I want to do. Come alive, eat Vive. 100% natural ingredients, enriched with proteins, gluten, dairy, soy-free, vegan friendly, and it just has their website and their Instagram. Very cute little booklet there. And what does this say here? Make 2018 the year to be lean with a healthy bar that's high in protein. Get a half-price subscription if you're really keen, because saving you money is totally our scene. So use your personal voucher at checkout today, then save every single time that you pay. Whether you're going to the gym or out to play, rest assured that you've got one of your Vive a day. Get 50% off for 3 months using Vegan 2018 at www.eatvive.com. So there you go guys, that's my promo code Vegan 2018. If you want to use it, get 50% off for 3 months. And yep, it's very nice. So let's look at the bars. First one they've sent, almond and coconut, 10 grams of protein, 152 calories, and of course vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free and soy-free. Very nice packaging right here. I like it. It's very simple. Ironically, it's very clean. Like, you know, there's no over-the-top sort of designs or decoration. It's very basic and simple, and that's what I like about it, to be honest. It's no fairy dust shit right there. Okay, and this one has 148 calories in it. That's cacao and orange. This one has 149, and this one has also 149 calories. Now, for someone like me, I want a lot of calories in what I'm eating because I want to gain weight. And I would say that these bars are perfect, like for a snack or for a nighttime sort of snack with a cup of tea. Because say if I'm missing 100 calories, all I would need to do is have one of these bars, have a cup of tea, and you know, that's my 100 plus calories just met right there in a very convenient bar. And say if I'm out and about, you know, I'm really hungry, I cannot afford or I cannot be bothered, or I don't have the time to go out and get something from either the grocery store or a vegan restaurant or whatever it is, I can just have one of these in my bag and take it out and eat it, and I'm satisfied because it's filled with protein, it's filled with a lot of plant goodness, it's, you know, not gonna weigh me down because it's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, and it's soya-free. It's like, what more do you want? So that's another fact I really like. Let's take a look at the actual ingredients though. So on this one, the almond and coconut, there are dates, pea protein, coconut nectar, peanuts, almonds, coconut, sunflower, and natural flavoring. So only a few ingredients and no refined sugar. See, that's it's like, that's another icing on the cake right there. Very simple and basic ingredients, which is what we want. And yeah, it seems like they're a very transparent company, of course. It's like they put everything on the packaging and make sure that you know what they're about. Let's take a look at this one, cacao and orange. What does this have in it? Again, very basic ingredients, which is what we want. Pea protein, which is awesome. That's an awesome source of protein right there. And the lemon burst flavor. Yeah, they pretty much have the same ingredients. it on all of them? Same ingredients? Yeah. That one has coconut nectar in it. And this one also has coconut nectar. I'm just trying to look for a difference. Yeah, they have all the same ingredients, but obviously the difference is their flavoring. So that's really good because I know that some companies with a lot of their products, they may have some protein bars, but they're all different in terms of their ingredients. And I think what makes this good is that it has the same ingredients, and the only thing they've changed is literally the flavoring. So I like that. I think that's very consistent, and I think that's a very good idea rather than just confusing things. I like how they've kept it simple, they've kept it basic, and they've kept it straightforward. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying one of these bars. In the next video, I'll do a taste test for you. I'll probably have it with a cup of tea, and I'll let you know what I think. And yeah, so stay tuned for that video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've been Vegan Babe, and thank you very much for watching.